Ever wondered how your favorite anime characters stay so energetic? Well, it's time to let you in on a little secret. Enter the world of anime-inspired superfood smoothies. Packed with nutrients, these smoothies are the hidden power boosting those animated heroes. They're not just delicious, they're also a great way to help you achieve the kind of energy that your favorite anime characters have. Imagine starting your day with a kick of vitality and a burst of health. Ready to unlock the secret? Here comes the first recipe. First up is the Spirulina Spinach Power Smoothie. This concoction is a treasure trove of nutrients, just what you need to power through your day. Start with a handful of fresh spinach, a green leafy superhero packed with vitamins and minerals. Add a spoonful of spirulina, a type of blue-green algae that's a favorite amongst health enthusiasts for its rich protein content and antioxidants. Next, toss in a banana for a dose of natural sweetness and a boost of potassium. The almond milk comes next, lending the smoothie its creamy texture and a nice dose of calcium. Finally, a drizzle of honey to balance out the flavors and add a touch of natural sweetness. Blend it all together and voila! You've got yourself a Spirulina Spinach Power Smoothie. Each ingredient brings a unique health benefit to the table, working together to nourish your body and keep you energized. There you have it, a power-packed smoothie to keep you energized throughout the day. Next, we have the Berry Blast Antioxidant Smoothie. Let's start with a cup of mixed berries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants that help combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. They also add a natural sweetness that makes this smoothie a real treat. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Not only do they give your smoothie a nice texture, but they're also rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. Definitely a superfood worth adding to your diet. Then we need half a cup of yogurt. This creamy ingredient is high in probiotics, which promote a healthy gut and calcium for strong bones. For our liquid, we'll use a cup of almond milk. It's a great dairy-free option that's low in calories but high in vitamin E. Finally, sweeten it up with a tablespoon of honey. Honey has antibacterial properties and can soothe a sore throat. Blend all these ingredients together until smooth, and there you have it. Enjoy this berry delicious smoothie filled with antioxidants to keep you healthy and glowing. There you have it. 2 superfood smoothies inspired by the energy of anime characters. Our Spirulina Spinach Power Smoothie, packed with nutrients, and our Berry Blast Antioxidant Smoothie, bursting with essential vitamins. Both are designed to give you a health boost, just like your favorite anime heroes. So, why not try these recipes? Enjoy the vibrant flavors and reap the benefits of glowing health and wellness. Remember, the key to energy and health lies in what you consume. So drink up and unleash your inner anime energy.